In this video, I'm going to take you guys through an entire day of my live trading. I'm going to show you inside my complete process, the strategy and indicators that I use, as well as the real-time profits and losses and the decision making that goes into me actually taking these trades and finding them in real time. As a lot of you guys know, I've been day trading for over 8 years. I've been documenting it on YouTube for a long time, and I like to do these live trade videos as part of a series to keep you up to date with how I'm trading in real time and a little bit of what we're working on our team. While it's amazing to see our private team doing amazing, I also want to always make sure that I'm bringing value to you guys here on YouTube. Also, shout out 1,000,000 subs, so thank you guys very much. Okay, so today is the third trading session where I have my risk increased. Today is also Sunday, so the price action is going to be a little bit different. We're going to see how well I can do today, if we can hit our trading goal. Like I said with you, I'm going to take you alongside me while I'm finding and executing these trades. So it's about 10 a.m. I'm going to show you how I get my desk set up, how I prepare for the session, and then we're going to get into finding trade number 1. All right, so first thing that I'm always doing is setting up my desk. I have my trading view here, which is where I'm going to be doing my charting. I have my exchange here where I'm placing my trades, and then I have my trade journal, which is going to walk me through my progression for the day as far as what I need to do, what I need to look for, and so I can track my actual data. And then over here in the other monitor, I have an overall large view of Bitcoin, which is going to allow me to figure out where I think the market is likely to go for the day, and then potentially be able to take even bigger trades if it is right. But basically, I'm trying to find areas where there's trend established, we see weakness, and then price breaks through these trends. Secondarily, I'm going to be trading momentum and also reversals with these red and green squares you can see here, which are called fair value gaps. So I'm really going to be targeting the midpoint of these with my other confluences, with some of my own indicators and analysis to be able to play into direction, keep my risk contained, and let my winners run. Before we hop into finding a specific trade, this is what I'm looking at with Bitcoin. I'm using Elliott Wave Theory to do this analysis, which basically is showing me right now on a 4-hour time frame that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by an A, B, C correction. Now this is Elliott Wave Theory, where we have 5 wave patterns followed by A, B, C corrections. Also, you'll notice that Bitcoin has just broken under this critical level and is now coming up to test into this area. So I wouldn't be surprised here to see some sort of resistance and a bigger push to the downside. And if I can find a position to take to the downside, I'm going to look to really try to take advantage of that. But for now, what I'm noticing, if I go over to Solana on a 1 minute, we've broken down from this uptrend here. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, potentially down to 5. So I'm anticipating that this low is to break and continue moving down. And if we do end up at this area, I'm going to be looking to take longs for the rest of the day. So I'm kind of gauging what I'm doing off of this. But as soon as this is to break any critical levels, we'll be able to find a setup and hopefully get into trade number 1. But now we have to wait for the first setup. All right, so right now what I'm noticing is that we have basically this whole entire Elliott wave formation. We've rejected off of this low 1, 2, 3 times, and now we're starting to turn around. This is going to be a heavy area of resistance right in this area. So I'm guessing that price could come up, potentially have a response off of this trend level, and then go ahead and dip down. And if this is to break down for the rest of the session, this is going to be a really, really big risk reward trade. So I'm tapping in short here, see if we can get a bearish response here off of this last area. And then if we do, we're going to get a confirmation for the rest of the session. We should move down.